With Matilda visits at our last destination in Bali. It is Sanur, to be precise, the Fairmont Sanur Beach here at this beautiful spot. We have got a great view over the ocean. The weather's changed a little bit. It looks like it might rain a bit later on. And I think we might have dinner just over there at what's called Pier 8. Looking forward to that. And of course building a sandcastle. With Matilda visits in Bali, it is the day before Christmas and we're enjoying ourselves very much here just along the beach in Sanur. We have got almost the entire family back together here at the Fairmont. It is fantastic and we're enjoying happy hour here along the beach and I'm looking forward to order some great fantastic food and we're just waiting for Melinda to come back, for Michael, he's that way, as well as Louise, and then we've got the crew back together.
I'm Sherri. Yeah, I just got a few little things for her to eat.
Christmas card.
Louise, that's great that you want. Should have photoshopped that with
We have ventured out of the hotel today to find out more about Sanur and its surroundings. First and foremost though, we need to do a spot of shopping. We're running out of a few essentials. So up and down this street to find everything one could possibly wish for. It is crazy hot today, but nonetheless really beautiful, and we're checking out, you know, different things. After our little stroll, we are back at the lovely Fairmont Hotel. It looks just so amazing here. Love the beach, love the restaurant right next to it. Up there is the infinity pool. We are so lucky that we can stay here, and say thanks very much to ALL Accor Hotels for this amazing stay. We are in Bali for Christmas Eve. We're just going through our presents. We're doing sort of Bali Christmas style. New car.
Matilda got this lovely hat. What else did you get? Beautiful wrapped up.
Hello, I love it Christmas. Christmas gift and new toys.
Who's here with you? With Matilda visits here in Bali, we have got the person commenting the most on all of our videos. It's Lou. Hello.
Hello, number one fan.
So, what would be your comment about the dinner tonight?
Oh, absolutely fabulous, incredible, very tasty, so much variety, caters for everyone. Really love it.
And live music along the way. It couldn't be much better.
Super cool. Arriba. Christmas to everyone. It is the 25th of December and we are at the Prime Plaza Suites. This is where Sherri, Michael and the rest of the family are staying. Fantastically big pool, great food, great drinks coming in just a second. And yeah, the kids are already in the, how do you call that, the kids club, enjoying some entertainment there. And we'll go on this water slide very soon. How has your Christmas day been so far, Michael?
We've got margaritas, we've got eating. The Balinese food we got on offer here.
Bradley, tell us what is happening here.
Eating coal.
And what do you have to eat, Kitty?
Watermelon.
Oh. Who's going to win out of you three?
3, 4, 3.
Feeding time.
Oh, like that. Kick.
Sorry, where
out the toilets.
All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest. You'll be sure to
Sit down, please. No, just put them on there.
The last night here in Bali with Matilda visits, and it is pizza night. We are at Michael and Sherri's hotel, and yes, gonna have some pizza all together here. Everybody's together, and yeah, we heard that Michael and Louise just risked their life on a little bike getting those pizzas here. So let's see and hope that they taste good. How has the honeymoon been so far?
Wonderful.
Brilliant. We've had a lot of company.
Yeah, spending time with family. It's fun, been the funnest.
Love it. Love it. Looking forward to getting home.
We are.
Locked doors.
Locked doors.
Hello, Matilda visits. We love you. It's our #1 show.
On YouTube, subscribe,
Give us a thumbs up.
give us a like.
Did you like the holidays, my darling?
Yes, it's been lovely. It's been lovely. It's really nice now. Nice breeze, looking at beautiful water. It's going to be nice.
Did you like it in Bali?
Yeah.
This is not the first time that you're here, is it?
This is like my 7th time.
I feel like a Bali local, you know all the back streets, you know everything. We are in the Hard Rock Cafe here in Bali at the airport, just waiting for our plane to go back to Switzerland. Final farewell, what have you got to say for Bali and yourself? What? Why have you got such a special plate?
Because we're children, we either have the same place.
Matilda, where's Grandma?
Hi, we've enjoyed this trip so much. Thanks for watching.